A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. So students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. I am fine. How you will reply? I am fine. Very good. If someone asks you how are you, what you will say? You will say I am fine. Okay? So the next video we have learned about shapes, right? पिछले वीडियो में हमने क्या learn किया है? Shapes. So today we will learn counting number. आज हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? Counting number. That is 0. पहले हम आज ये पढ़ेंगे counting number that is 0. Okay? Now can you see this ball? ये ball दिख रही है आपको? ये दिखने में कैसे होता है? 0, right? It looks like a 0. See? 0 means nothing. Okay? Now let me give you examples. This is my hand. ये मेरा हाथ है, right? This is a pencil. What is this? This is a pencil. Okay? मैंने अब pencil को मेरे हाथ में रख दिया. I have kept the pencil in my hand. Now this is empty. This is 0. No, it is not 0. But if I take out the pencil, it will be empty. It will be 0, right? अब कुछ नहीं है, तो कुछ नहीं है means 0. Okay? अब मैंने वापस रख दिया pencil. I have kept the pencil back. So that means this is 1, right? 1 pencil I have. कितनी pencil है मेरे पास? 1 pencil. Now I have taken. So it will be 0, right? अब मैंने ले लिया इसको पेंसिल को, तो अब क्या बचा है मेरे पास? कुछ नहीं, तो इट्स मीन 0. Okay? Again let me tell you, I have kept the pencil. Okay? मेरे पास कितने पेंसिल हैं? How many pencil I have? 1 pencil. So this is mean 1, right? मेरे पास कितने पेंसिल है? 1, right? So now if I take out the pencil, that's mean there is nothing, so it is mean 0. Okay? अब मैंने पेंसिल को ले लिया, तो मेरे पास क्या बचा है? कुछ भी नहीं है, 0. Okay? This means 0. So 0, how does it look? It looks like this. Okay? ये 0 ऐसे सर्कल जैसे दिखते, ऐसे राउंड, ऐसे like a ball. This is 0. Okay? Now let me teach you how to draw a 0. How to draw a 0. Okay? अब हम 0 कैसे draw करना learn करेंगे. Okay? Open your book from page number 11. आपको book open करना है page number 11. Okay? उसमें आपको trace करना है. What you have to do? You have to trace the 0 number. Okay? आपको क्या करना है? Trace करना है. See? Take out your pencil and eraser. Very good. You have to hold your pencil like this. Okay? आपको ऐसे pencil पकड़ना है. Now, can you see this? This is the tracing dot. So you have to trace this. Okay? ये जो dot दिख रहे हैं ना, छोटे छोटे से, can you see these small dots? You have to join this. आपको ये क्या करना है? इसको join करना है. You have to trace. Okay? So let's start tracing. Are you ready? Good. So now we will trace the 0. Half curve, 0. Okay? Again, half curve, 0. Okay? पहले आप क्या करोगे? ऐसे half curve करोगे. Okay? Half curve. C बनाएंगे like this. पहले ऐसे C बनाएंगे ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक. Okay? And then another C. Okay? Like this. Again, half curve. This is 0. Very good. Again, half curve. हाफ कर्व्ड, 0. ओके, आप इसको वॉक पे ट्रेस करना है. यू हैव टू trace the 0. What number is this? 0. Again repeat with me. What number is this? 0. मुझे बताओ बच्चों, ये कौन सा नंबर है? 0. Very good. Again tell me what number is this? This is 0. You have to trace this. Okay, इसको ऐसे trace करना है. You have to trace. See? 0. Again trace. See? 0. Okay, ये आपको trace करना है. See, I'm tracing. We have to join the dots. Okay, हमें ये dots join करना है. Okay. What we have to do? We have to trace and join the dots. Very good. Let's trace again. 0. Very good. Again, make a circle like a ball. 0. Okay. Again, 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Okay, ऐसे आपको वापस 0 बनाना है. See, you have to trace. Okay, आपको trace करना है. Okay, see, put a dot like this. You have to put a dot like this, and then what we will do? We will trace. अब हम क्या करेंगे इसको? हम trace करेंगे. Okay, you have opened your book, right, from page number 11. Okay, now start to trace like this. Okay, आपको book में ऐसे trace करना है. Number 0. Okay, 0 means nothing. Very good. 0 means nothing. So now you have learned the numbers that is 0, right? आपने आज क्या learn किया है? 0 number. So now what you have to do? You have to practice at home. Okay? आपको घर पे practice करना है. 0 कैसे draw करते? Okay? Till then, take care and thank you.